Today I'm going to show you how to add Klarna payments to your Wix website. This integration allows your customers to use Klarna's Buy Now, Pay Later service, giving them flexible payment options and potentially increasing your conversion rates. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website and logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard where you manage all aspects of your site. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu with various options. Look towards the bottom part of this list where you'll find the Settings menu. Go ahead and click on it. This is your control center for configuring payment methods, domain settings, and other important site features. After clicking on Settings, you'll be presented with several configuration options. Scroll down through this menu until you locate the section labeled Accept Payments. This is where Wix allows you to connect various payment processors and gateways to your online store. Click on Accept Payments to proceed to the Payment Options page. Once you're on the Accept Payments page, you'll see several popular payment options displayed. However, you might notice that Klarna isn't immediately visible among the standard options shown. Don't worry, this is normal. Wix organizes payment methods into primary and additional options to keep the interface clean. To access the full list of available payment providers, scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page. There you'll find a link that says See More Payment Options. Click on it to expand the full catalog of payment gateways that Wix supports. Now you'll be taken to the More Payment Options page where Wix displays additional payment providers beyond the most commonly used ones. Browse through these options until you spot Klarna in the list. Once you've found it, click the Connect button next to Klarna. This will open the Klarna connection page where you'll need to provide your credentials to link your Klarna merchant account with your Wix store. On the Klarna connection page, you'll see fields asking for specific information. All you need to provide is your Klarna API key and password. These credentials are available from your Klarna merchant dashboard. Enter both pieces of information carefully into the respective fields. Initially, you'll notice that the Connect button appears grayed out, which means it's not yet clickable. However, once you've entered both your API key and password correctly, that button will become active and clickable, indicating that Wix has validated your credentials. With everything filled in, click the Now Active Connect button to finalize the integration. Wix will establish the connection between your store and Klarna's payment system. Your customers can now choose Klarna as a payment option during checkout, giving them the flexibility to pay in installments while you receive the full payment upfront. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.